Here we go. Here's your personal tour and sneak peek inside our Performance Communication Kit. Let's get started, shall we? I'm going to click inside our dashboard. Now, the first thing that you're going to see here is our Performance Communication Planner. This is one place for you to put all of the details that probably live inside your brain or scattered across different documents into one place so that it's easy to now communicate them. There's a digital version and a printer-friendly version for you to access. Then we have our Performance Project Tracker. Now, this is going to help you stay on top of all the tasks that are needed to actually get this information out. The emails that you need to write, any social media posts you need to make, the portal, all the steps are right here, and you're never going to lose track of where you're at. This is also a great way to delegate if you have someone to do it with you. Then you have your portal template. So this is a performance info portal, and inside this Canva template, which by the way, you can use with a free Canva account, it's right here. And this is a 5-minute video to show you how to customize it and make it your own. It does not take long at all to do. This is your central hub of communication, and it's where you're going to put those details that you put into your planner and you got out of your brain. You're going to put them on here. Then you have your info series email templates. You don't have to write another email again about the performance because they're all written out for you and they point to that portal. This is going to make your life so much easier because now parents are going to know where to find the information. Then you have your social media post pack. So this includes Canva templates, which again, you can use with a free account. It also includes hashtags and captions to use with each one of them. You can get the template and captions right here. We also give you bonus templates for a Facebook cover photo. Then you come in here and you've got your performance program templates. You've got a one-pager. You've also got a booklet. This is going to make it printer friendly. You can even share them digitally. It's going to save you a ton of time and a ton of money. Then we have down here our costume lookbook template. This is one resource that houses what the costume looks like, what accessories come with it, what class it goes to, maybe even the song. You have that in one place. And now this is a resource that you can share on that portal. It's also a resource that you can share with your backstage staff or volunteers to make sure that every single kid that goes on stage looks exactly how they should. Wouldn't we love that to happen? And that's possible with this. It's a super easy resource. There you have it. That is the Performance Communication Kit. When you're ready to get started, click the link somewhere around this video and you can get it at your studio right now.